Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to check whether a number is even or odd. So an even number is a number that is divisible by 2, which means if it is divided by 2, the remainder is 0, while an odd number is a number that is not divisible by 2, which means if it is divided by 2, the remainder is 1. We are going to use the mode operator. It's an operator that when placed between two numbers, it gives the remainder of the division of the two numbers. For example, if you have 2 modulus 2, the remainder is 0, and if you have 1 modulus 2, the remainder is 1. So let's implement this. We'll need a scanner object. Next, we will ask the user to enter a number. Then we'll scan the input and store it in a variable. And now we can check whether the entered number is even or odd using the if-else statement. Let's run this. We can rerun this and give it an even number.